Well, I got the first purge plug 3D printed, and I had a guy comment on the last video thinking the purge plug was going to come in direct contact with heat. So I figured I'd do a short video, kind of show my setup, show my thought process and where I was going with this. So the first thing I will go over is I am printing a new plug. I messed up a couple things on this one, so I figured I'd just make a new one. The first thing I messed up was the thread size. I had the wrong thread pitch selected when I printed this out. But it is a TPU filament, so I was able, it's got flex and give to it. I was able to just force the diffuser down on the inside. Same thing with the nipple, I just kind of forced it down in there. Now the positioner I have is just a cheap Vevor, I think it was the biggest one they had on Amazon at the time. It's nothing special. I think it was like 600 bucks or something. It does not come with a way to purge through the center. So I pulled the head off of it, I pulled the shaft out of it and just drilled a hole through the center of it. And then on the back side, I've got this fitting that allows the hose to stay stationary, but the shaft for the chuck part to spin. That way the hose doesn't get coiled up in the backside. So what I'm gonna do is take this 1/4 inch coupling, I'll weld that in there, and then I'll have this close nipple that will thread into the backside of the new purge plug that I'm printing now. And the way this is going to work, this is basically just going to go inside another piece of tube, and it's just going to act as a spinner. So anything that I'm welding off of this will come off of this spinner tube. So let's see, I think I got something laying here. So basically, if I'm building a part, I'll have another ferrule or tri-clamp connection that will clamp onto the spinner, and say I've got to build this MPT to sanitary tube connection, I will tack that up. This side of it, I will just use regular masking tape or that tinfoil tape you can get. And most of the time I use the tinfoil tape because you can kind of reuse that multiple times. So that's basically what I've got.